Hello my friends, today we will learn how to use Catalog Mode module in the ShopBuilder plugin. With ShopBuilder's Catalog Mode, you will get full control over what customers can see and do. No add to cart buttons, no visible price, and no checkout distractions. Perfect for B2B and wholesale business. Catalog Mode lets you transform your WooCommerce store into a sleek and browsing-only catalog. Without any further delay, let's get started. To use the catalog mode, you must install and activate the ShopBuilder plugin along with ShopBuilder Pro for this premium feature. After that, go directly to the settings, find catalog mode. When you will enable catalog mode, then you will be able to apply catalog mode to everyone or only visitors who are not logged in. You can also control the visibility of the Add to Cart button across your store. Also, you can individually choose the product, pages, and categories for better user experience. If you select a specific product option, then choose and select your desired applicable products to display alongside. But if you select all products, then there will be no applicable products option. You will only need to choose a category like men, women, or etc. The same thing applies to categories to exclude as well. Then go to the product page where you can take full control over each individual product. From here, you can independently hide prices, remove purchases options, and display a personalized message such as a contact us or a request a code call to action directly on the product page. Let's say WhatsApp button settings. If you enable it, then you can set the button text, provide your WhatsApp number by including your desired country code, and there is also an option to set a pre-filled message if you want. When you feel that your product page customization is complete for now, then go to the shop page. From here, you can give your visitors a distraction-free browsing experience right from the shop page. When catalog mode is enabled, the add to cart buttons are newly replaced with a custom message like read more, allowing customers to explore products freely without the pressure to buy immediately. After saving this, let's go to the page to see all of our customization. Reload the page first and see it. Now let's customize the price button. If you are not ready to show your product prices publicly, there's no problem at all. With catalog mode, you can show the price across your entire store or for specific user roles. After saving this, if you want to see the difference, reload the page and see it here. The price is visible. You also have the flexibility to hide it completely or replace it with custom text. This feature is especially ideal for wholesale or B2B business where pricing is not always shown upfront. So let's provide your required text here. For example, call me for price. Save it and see the difference here. Let's click on it and notice the same changes here on the single product page. Here we can see the request code button is disappear. For this, go to the settings and from here navigate the product page to select the request code button to display. Now let's back to there. This time the request a code button is visible. Now let's customize the request code button. For this, from the settings, you can change the code page as well as the button text. While done, click on Save Changes. And then let's visit the page to see this. Now we will learn how to customize style and make every button on your store feel like a natural extension of your brand. From here, you can customize the color, typography, border, and more for each button individually. This gives you full control to personalize the email, WhatsApp, call, and request code button text and style, so they perfectly match your brand identity and overall design. For example, for the price text style, you can customize the border width as well as the border color using the color picker. Once you are done, save the changes. Let's visit the product details page to see our customization. If you think you want to modify the WhatsApp button text border color, then go to the settings again and customize it from here. Choose it from the color picker. After saving, go back there to see the difference. And it appears now. If you want to further change its border color, then customize it from here. Save your changes and see the difference here. Same for the request code button. If you further want to change its color, you can do it from here. Save and let's see. After changing the request code button background color, it has also been changed. This is how you can change and customize each item's color however you want. For example, border color. Let's save the changes. And let's see all of our customization here. Not only that, but you can also override the global settings. Override global settings means ignoring the default global settings and applying a specific setting to one particular item, page, or section instead. For example, if your website's global font color is black but no one page you set the text color to blue, that page is overriding the global settings. Now click on Edit Product. From Product Data, click on Catalog Mode. This is the enable or disable option for it. From below, choose any option for the Add to Action option. For example, Show Add to Cart. Click on Update to save and then go to the page to see these changes. Here it is. If you go to the archive page, there also you will see this Add to Cart button. Now let's customize the price. Go back there and from here, set the Show Price option for the price action, and here these are the button links. So let's save these and go to the page to see it. Reload first, and here the difference is visible. You can see the difference from here also. So this is how you can use the Catalog Mode module in the ShopBuilder plugin. Thank you for watching today's tutorial.